Today we are going to build our own personalized GPT, and we are going to build a health GPT. No tough coding, no technical knowledge needed, just with some prompts and ideas. I have already built. Let's first see how it works. Let's come to a screen. Now you can see I opened the ChatGPT, and here on the left side you will see GPTs. If you will click here, here is Explore GPTs. If you will click there, then you can see here there is many GPTs, custom GPTs from the different categories like writing, productivity, research analysis, education, lifestyle, DALL-E, programming. You can see there. Here on the right up corner, here is my GPTs. If you will click here, here will be list of all GPTs what I have made. So I have made primary health checker. So first we will go there and we will check how it works. So now my custom health GPT is opened. We are going to check 3 cases. First we will see how it responds when it is non-emergency case, and second we will try to distract it, and third we will check how it responds in emergency case. So for non-emergency case, I will start with a starter. I have a mild fever and headache. See how it will respond. So you can see on the screen they are giving cures and diet and lifestyle advice. You can talk more in non-emergency case. Now we will try to distract this GPT. So I will write, who is the PM of India? So they are saying I am specialized in health assessment. How can I help with your health today? So we can't distract it because I have given instructions like that. So it will be specialized only around the health. Now we will check how it will respond when it will be emergency case. Let's see. I will write like, I have a chest pain. So let's see. So they are saying this is serious, and they are asking for my location, village, city or pin code. If I will give my pin code, then we will see how it will respond. So they are giving the emergency number, the location, and they are giving the 3 nearest specialist hospital, and with the name, emergency number and distance from my location. And along with that they are giving primary first aid, and they are giving infographics, how should we care. So in emergency case they are giving the 3 specialist hospital nearby your location. So for that I have connected one API. So it is also easy to connect. Now we will test is this API working everywhere. So for that we will choose one rural area in Uganda, that is Karamoja. So we will come to screen. We will write my location is Karamoja, Uganda. Now we will see how it will respond. So they are searching the 3 specialist hospitals nearest to that location with emergency contact number and the primary first aid with infographics. So our custom GPT is working properly with non-emergency case and emergency case. Imagine if we will able to connect AI agent with this custom GPT, then what will happen? While talking to GPT, it will able to detect it is emergency case, and it will enable our location, and it will call by itself to the nearest specialist hospital, and we will able to receive urgent emergency service. For making this GPT, I have used this response flow, what you can see on screen. So first a starter will be there, and then if it will be in non-emergency case, then it will give the cure, diet and lifestyle changes and advices. And whenever it will detect the emergency case, it will ask the location, and after asking location it will activate API, and that will give the emergency contact number, 3 nearest specialist hospitals with details like location, distance, name, and along with that they will give primary cure until the emergency support will reach. Now again we will come to that GPT and we will see how I have given the instructions and all. So here is GPTs, Explore GPTs, my GPTs, and here on the pencil here is Edit GPT. If you will click here, you will able to see how I have given the instructions and all. Here is 2 sections, create and configure. Here is logo, you can upload image for your logo. Here I have given the name, here description, what should be the purpose of this GPT, and here the instructions, how the GPT will be responding in different situations. And here is conversation starter. You can see I have a mild fever and headache. Here also it is like that, so you can add more like that. If you will go down, here is knowledge section. You can upload many files. So in knowledge section, I have given the many well-known institutions important file like WHO Health Dietary Fact Sheet, ICMR guidelines, clinical guidelines, warning signs of heart attack and strokes, international first aid and educational guidelines. And similarly, I have attached one more sheet where all the emergency contact numbers of different countries are there. So here you can upload more files. Here is recommended model. You can choose the model of GPT. And down there, here is a capabilities. In capabilities, what capabilities you want to add in your GPT. Like if you want a web search or not. If you don't want, you can just click here. If you want, you can click here. And when web search will be not there, then your all data will come from knowledge section. And you can add canvas. Canvas is infographic. Here is image generation. And down there has code interpreter and data analysis. For now, we don't need. And below there is action. This is the section where you can add your API. For example, if I will open this, you can see here is authentication. And in schema, there has API code. So this code you don't need to code by yourself. You just take your API, give to the ChatGPT and tell it to write the schema for your custom GPTs. And below there, you can see here is privacy policy. Privacy policy is important where you want to publicly share your GPT on GPT's store. Then below that action, there has additional settings. They are saying use conversation data in your GPT to improve your model. You can click it or not, it's your choice. In action, you can add more APIs and take data from other websites to your own personalized GPTs. In the GPT store, you can see on the right side, here is create section. If you will click on create, one screen will come and here is create and here is configure. Create is a beginner friendly conversational interface. Here you have to just do a normal conversation and it will detect all the names, description, instructions and all, and it will create. So it is a beginner friendly one. So for example, I will write I want to make a health GPT. So let's see how it will respond. It is updating the GPTs. It understood the meaning. It has created something. And if you will come on configure, you can see in description it detected something. It took some instructions from my first prompt. So similarly, you have to just talk to it in simple language. Just give your ideas and it will create a step by step. You can talk and give ideas until your final response is as expected. You can go back and forth with configure and create, and you can edit. Configure section is manual and precise. Here you can directly fill all the blanks. Here you can upload your logo, name, description, instructions, conversation starter, knowledge documents and capabilities and API key, and it will directly give you the final result. So we are going to directly fill here only. So we'll select our logo from the laptop and we have uploaded our logo, and here in name we'll write healthy world, and in description I have written the purpose. In instruction I have given the how this GPT should respond in different situations, and they have selected some conversation starters, but we'll change, we'll delete it, and we'll make our custom starters. Like I have a mild fever and headache. Second, medical emergency, find nearest hospital. And third, basic first aid for deep cut. And fourth, find a cardiologist in my city. And now we'll come to knowledge section. We'll upload some documents, and here I have uploaded some documents like international first aid, operational framework for primary healthcare, and science of heart attack. This document I have downloaded from internet and from official websites. And in recommendation model, we'll keep as it is. And in capabilities, we need web search, we need canvas for infographics. We can keep image generation, but we don't need code interpreter and data analysis. Now we'll come to action section. Here we can connect APIs to fetch data from other websites for this GPT. So for that we'll click create new actions, and in authentication we'll keep none for now, and in schema we'll select JSON format. They have given some structure, and this structure you can give it to the ChatGPT and give your API and tell it to make the schema for custom GPT, and it will paste here. And down there, here is test. You have to click here. On clicking test, they will ask for some permission. You have to just give the permission. Now we'll check is it fetching the data or not. For example, I will write I have a chest pain, location Khagaria. So they are fetching data and they are giving the 3 specialist hospital nearby my location, like Urmila Nursing Home is there, Sadar District Hospital Khagaria is there, Government Hospital Mansi is there. So it is working properly. Now here in the left side you can see here privacy policy. If you want your GPT to be available for all public on GPT store, then you have to give the privacy policy. Here is additional setting. They are asking use conversation data in your GPT to improve our models. You can click or not, it's your choice. Now we have filled all the configure sections. Here on the right side, here is create. If you click create, here is share your GPT with anyone with the link or ChatGPT store. We didn't give the privacy policy, so we will share only with us. So save. So our GPT is saved, and from here you can copy and share with your friends, or you can just view your GPT. If you click here, our GPT is open. You can test in non-emergency case, like I have a deep cut in my hand. So let's see how it will respond. And they have given the immediate first aid with the infographics, and they are suggesting if there is too much bleeding or cut, go to hospital immediately. And in note, they are always saying I am not a specialized doctor, but I can advise the best primary care and diet. If this is life-threatening emergency, call emergency service immediately. Now we will try to distract it again. Who is the PM of India? So it is not distracting, you can see. Now we will check the emergency case. I have a chest pain. It detected the emergency case and they are asking for my location. I will say Manjari, Pune. So near my location, they have given the emergency contact number and 3 nearest hospital nearby me. Along with that, they have given the primary care with infographics, and they are asking more questions for identifying more problems. So our GPT is ready, and you can see on the left side here with the small logo, your name Healthy World Custom GPT will be there. So similar to this Health GPT, you can also make your own custom GPTs like Bakery GPT, Cook GPT, or Architecture GPT, or Coding GPT, or Video Analyzer GPT, Gym Trainer GPT, Stock Market and Graph Analyzer GPT, just by providing little information about your business and ideas. In the next video, we are going to explore a very powerful feature of ChatGPT, app connectors. So stay connected with the journey of AI with TechCos and follow and subscribe the TechCos.